How to mention someone in Instagram story without showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Do you guys want to put a story and tag your friends but not show them or their username in the story? If so, this video is for you. So first open up your Instagram and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then I'll show you guys different ways you can do this. First, add a story. So let me add a story here. I'll just click this random picture. Then the first way you can do this is by just mentioning your friend like this. So I just have this friend here. As you can see, this is their username. And if you now want to hide it, what you can do is just drag it around. You can, minimize its size. And by making it small, so small that it cannot be noticed. As you can see now, it's so small that it's normally not noticed, and you can even blend it in the background of your photo. That's one way of doing it. Now, the other way of mentioning your friend is by simply, make sure that it's of this size, any size, it does not matter, and then simply put it out of frame like that. Doing so, you'll have mentioned your friend. So let's try this out. Tap on story, and the story should be, uploading. So that's one way of doing it. So while this uploads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So yeah, as you can see right here, I've just sent this and my friend is mentioned in the story. So yeah, that's one way of doing it. Now the next way is whenever you've already posted a story, you can tap on this button that says mention. As you can see right here, you'll see the mention option. Tap on mention and then you can select the person that you want to mention. So you can do this after you've already posted a story. Tap on add. You can add how many, as many friends as you'd like. Then tap on add. By doing this, you won't even have to mention them in the story itself. They will be mentioned after you've uploaded the story, so they won't be in your story. And yeah, that's how you can mention someone in Instagram story without showing. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.